mono sana mwanchu mulia weta senikia Ndizi TV na kwasemera kwa ni mnakwabere kugutwara obuligeri obya na ndene biro bindengo kwaligania semesa ya mangana maya elinde nkumanye na rayabereka gokolekana korwa chingongo chonsi inyechense astinza mochiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News Digital na bega sensemo ya YouTube na bagotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyora wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke erietariane Fridah Kerubo na sinsemo chibioro kelio ni gotokobwatenere Joshua Auta chinga kitoro che egati y'ababunge kurwa sensemeri ya Kerio Valley babere bakoboria omuwaziri w'oburendi bw'ime Kithure Kindiki osaba ali bagakorwa ase ababunge eliokorwa oguchika nabo igogwanchera abanyanyimbo ba KDF gotalya chinsemi cyo nabo igokweneki oburendi bw'ekerengo kegoro mono asaba bakorera munanigo abantu abange babere bagusiria obuguma bwabo kubwatikana n'oburendi bwabere bukobekwa ase chinsemi cyo chinga kicho boigobo mobwa azimio la umoja nigo botikalite koboria moraibense Dr. William Ruto koigora chisava ase okweneki oboene chinga kijose magaya machibu yobochoryo bonene gosoka asibabere bakweneki munanigo babete ababuikorende nigo obuibi bwechikura bwabete bokwenekigwa naboigo ase county ya Homa Bay abalimi bomochere nigo bagendete konyora asara enene kubwatikana nembura eyabete kegotua ya magena naboigo asensemeri ya Transmara nigo obokonyi bwendagera bagendete koyenenwa asengencho omurakera nigo oberego kwenekigwa ase chinsemo chiri manchu muri karansa oikelinde ngomanye asenchira yobwenye kolende tobasa gusika tobasa konyegera kwirana ndegeke asegekegeke Kerubo elinde ngomanye amange Ingo chaka kegima Amayia Ibere bigani gongo kumanyibuna egati y'ababunge korwa sensemeri ya Kerio Valley bano nigo bamuganiriye umuwaziri w'oburendi bw'ime Kithure Kindiki gosabali bagakorwa ase ababunge elio kwenekinga abanyanyimbo ba KDF ngotale bali chinsemo chiri nabo igo kweneki oburendi ase chinsemi cyo okwana nigo baba kwenekibuna abantu abange nigo babere bagosiria obugima bwabo nonya eserikali imukiri egetambo kyo nabo kweneki oburendi asinsemo chiri nabo igo kweneki mnango kora bale obosagani nabo igo oboibi bwetugo
ya security. We are tired as a county losing people each and every time, and it's high time we call upon the minister, because we know that they have brought the KDF officers here who are doing nothing. Wanaosha nguo, wanajivinjari, and we know that the problem is legislation. Please bring legislation to parliament. We allow KDF to carry out the disarmament process once and for all.
We want to tell the president and the government with a lot of humility that we want a deployment under Article 241(3) of the Constitution, a deployment that is approved by the National Assembly. Hatuwezi tuma KDF pale chini na tuambiwe KDF wakwanda police. That is shameful. We want a real deployment.
Tuko na waziri amechaguliwa wa usalama. Tuko na commissioner wa polisi ameteuliwa na rais. Lakini kila siku waziri akishika mic aseme na nyinyi mtaona bandits, mtaona ndio bandits wanakuja. Every day you, the minister of security, you threaten the bandits. That's when they eat. Mr. Waziri, when will you act? When will we see actions in Kerio Valley? We are tired.
Obo mawazimio la umoja niko bogendete koboria omuraibense Dr. William Ruto koigora chisava eliokoeneki oboene okwana omuraibe kiama gianak Martha Karua nigo asingerere goteabuna nigo babwete obochori bwo mwaka olieta kulende ekyombegete ntobochori nechimbebe kia IBC ngiabetege koeneki obwasi okum boigo nigo amentire goteabuna nigo serikali ya Kenya kwanza etalikoligereria omwananchi chinga kia Kenya bange bagendete kulira kubwatikana no gukonga kubugima.
Kama whistleblower ameonyesha ya kwamba Azimio ikiongozwa na Raila tulipata kura milioni 8.1. na wale wamenyakua kibandia wakapata milioni 5.9, 5.9. Hiyo ndio inafanya niseme serikali bandia. Na sisi hatupigi kifua. Kama hawaamini hiyo, wafungue sava, ukweli ujulikane. Huwezi kuendelea kukalia sava na kukataa ulishindwa. Kukalia sava ni kusema uko na uoga, unajua ikifunguliwa utalala kwako nyumbani, na sio kwa uongozi wa Kenya. Kwa hivyo mimi muniwie radhi, naendelea kusema serikali iliyoko ni bandia. Na serikali bandia haifikiri mwananchi. Kwa hivyo hiyo ni tormenta ya kutuamusha. Ndivyo mwananchi aelewe sauti yako ikidharauliwa na kukosa kuheshimu wingi wa kura ni kudharau sauti ya mwananchi. Ujue shida sitakuwa ni kwako. Leo hii kuna njaa, lakini angalia tabia ya serikali bandia. Pesa yetu waenda safari, kama ni minister anaenda na watu 30 au 40.
Chinga kecho boigo egati abara ikorwa sobo mobo bwazimio la umoja nigo bagendete goteba buna nigo barachikorobekana onye serikali ya Kenya Kwanza te kuimuki getambukiro kebwenete ase okoyeria amagori yebinto okwana omuraibe kyama gyawipa Kalonzo Musyoka nigo abagakoene kibuna nigo ekyombegete ntobo cholne chimbebe IEBC kyaberige kubaura chikura ase gekegetambe ase aganirie abobisa abaya koligere na boigo koene kingango korabale emirimo yabo burunge.
We are going to do demonstrations as far as the cost of living is going up. We are going to do demonstration because the dollar has hit historic level we've never seen in this country. So we are going to act as tormentor of this national government to make sure what they promise they deliver to.
Electoral injustice, yani wizi wa kura kila baada ya miaka mitano. Na huko anajaribu at the level of wiper, huko alijaribu sana at the gubernatorial, senatorial, mukafaulu kiasi fulani. Lakini ikienda kura kufanyiwa Nairobi, mtu anaitwa Chebukati, actually Chebukati aliiba kura ya mimi na Raila in 2017. In 2017, sasa 2022. Na anajua ni kwa nini alifanya hivyo. So we can't. Mtu moja, yani hawe maisha yetu sisi zote inategemea mtu moja, haiwezekani. Hiyo imesemekana kwa mabaraza. Na tena wanasema ni makosa sana wakati huu na bunge upande wa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya, na washukuru wa bunge wetu mulitoka nje because wameapisha tayari wale ambao wanataka inaitwa panel ya kutafuta Chebukati wengine 7. Yaani tuame kutoka kwa Chebukati moja tuende Chebukati 7.
Maigayo kuganyerera embura ase egikegetambe bono nigo embura yaberege koene kigwa ase Chinsemo abali mikorwa ase county ya Homa Bay nigo bagendete konyora sara enene maigayo embura gotwa eyire ya magena na boigo gosali omochere obo.
My name is Joshua Kumuchien. I come from this area, this block. I'm a farmer. I planted 2 acres of rice, and each was costing me 15,000. Now, this one is gone into waste because hailstone came and destroyed almost 90% of the crops. Whatever I'm remaining with is just mere grass. And now I'm crying, and I expect and I'm pleading with the national government, the county government, our MP, our MCA to come on the ground to help us. At least we are suffering because our children are back home and we cannot send them back. Some of them are here, they were sent. The crops were only remaining with about 2 weeks to be harvested.
Obokonyi bwendagera nigo bogendete korwegwa gukia ase chinsemo echichibwate omuchando bwinchara asensemo ya Transmara nigo ababwatani babagwesokia nabo igo gosangereria endagera iyo barachikoyena nabo igo kurwa obokonyi gukia ase abantu babwate omuchando bwinchara.
Jina langu ni Emmanuel Leina Tasur, mkurugenzi wa shule ya Sirwaulo Schools. Tulipotazama katika runinga kwamba watu wa Ilbisel na Kajiado kwa jumla wanaathirika na baa la njaa, tukaungana kama Transmara Business Forum kujaribu kuchangia chakula ya kupeleka katika shule ya Ilbisel Primary mnamo kesho. Siku ya leo basi ilikuwa ni siku ya kuweza kutumana msaada uliotolewa na wengi watu wa imani tofauti, aidha ni Waislamu, wa Kristo, watu of different ethnicities. Tunaungana na wandugu wetu kutoka Kajiado kusimama na wao katika janga hili la njaa, kuweza kutuma tani 10 ya chakula ikiwepo maharagwe, mahindi, unga, mafuta ili liweze kuwa baraka kwao. Kwetu sisi tunatuma ombi la baraka kwao kwamba Mungu aweze kuwakumbuka kwa namna ya mvua ambayo imekuwa very dry in that region.
Bunenchereyemo yogosanga n'abamwe abonigo abasubati abasibwa babagucenga asensemo ya Siaya erigokirani litko lyabasubati ase ensengima okwana abatenene likorwa ase echera nigo baba bakwanikibuna bachikorwa amaigilyo gochia ase abasubati nabigo kweneki unangutumika bale emitandao yekerero.
There are many opportunities which are targeted to women empowerment so that when they are in custody, they get empowered. By the time they leave the prison, they go out being skilled in various areas which will help them to be self-reliant as they take care of their families.
We intend to increase budgetary allocation so as we enable the institutions to increase the capacity of the inmates to learn innovative ways of self-reliance once they finish their prison terms.
Mwancho murigereria korwa soroboti uruni wanaikire omoelio wa mangana maya asebire biga kurende ngo sabato basa gusukato basa kanyegera chikoraga Chinsa 10 ayona mange no nyara sinchira yobwenye Chinsa mo chiche mitandao sensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara wetra Ndizi TV News Digital na bega sensemo ya YouTube na bagotonyara wetra Ndizi TV News sensemo ya website na bagotonyara wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke kamera soko ene kibuna ebicha na boigo eliogire gukira sole asenchira ya bene nere nyanchama Abigail tobeto kubata nere Joshua Auta asinsemo chibiyoro kelio nencheria ne Fridah Kerubo kukuganilia oboligereria obuya.